Why Beyond Meat is going down 5%, guys, for today. We have to discuss Beyond Meat for the price action for the rest of this month, beginning of this year, where the price will go and why we're going down and where's the official bottom reversal, because now we're revisiting the support again. Before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So first of all, let me just show you what's going on. We got the test around the $1.09. If you remember, guys, we discussed this resistance back then and we said we need to break it and hold over it. We have a test and we got rejected here last week, and now we are pulling back. And guess what? We pulling back toward the 90 cent, 5% down. It is not just Beyond Meat, guys. The whole market is down, not just Beyond Meat. We got APLD down is 8%, Palantir, the other stocks, especially the stock that have earnings or expected earnings like INTC and the other are up because they expected earnings and have good news. But usually the general trend in the market is down because of tariffs, because of Donald Trump. The investor is a bit risk averse and trying to put their money in safe assets. And Beyond Meat is a bit risky asset. That's why we have a bit of selling pressure for Beyond Meat right now for today. So what we should expect now, we still over the 90. However, if we held it, would be a really great reversal for cooling off and reversal. If the market reverse and we have a bit of news about confirmation of the tariff, if it were accepted or not, we might have a recovery for the market. Plus, Beyond Meat will recover in return and go up. And this will give us at least the help to break the $1.09 and squeeze then toward the $1.25. This is will give us from this price right now from the 90 around the support almost 30%, and the second is 60%. So 30%, 30% on the second profit taken, and then almost the $2 price level, or almost 100% for Beyond Meat. However, the other scenario, if we broke the 90, we might go toward the 81. This is depends again on the tariff, depends on if we have bad news for Beyond Meat, and we're gonna confirm that if Beyond Meat is gonna go for new low, is breaking the 80 cent this time. So we have two levels, guys, 90 cent and the 80 cent as a support. Both of them are really strong support and that we should hold, preferably over the 90. But even if we went toward the 80, it's still okay to confirm that the big buyer that bought Beyond Meat twice back in November last year and this year on beginning of this year here on this 2nd of January is still there. Really important, guys. You might be asking like why. It's important because if the short seller or the whale exited here, the short seller will add their position here and we're going to go down around the 66 and beyond. However, if we held roughly here over the 80 and the 90, preferably over the 90, we're going to have a faster squeeze and go over the 109 and then the 125 and 160 eventually for the rest of the week. So now it is kind of undecided phase and a bit of fear from investors. So we'll see what's going to happen. I'm going to do update, of course, for Beyond Meat for tomorrow on our live stream again, 30 minutes before the market open. So stay tuned for that. We're going to discuss it in depth, and of course on our Discord and Patreon, because we always do update every day. Today we did the interesting update for a few stocks before the market open, because we always do watch lists daily for our hunters. And as you see here, we got TWG that got halted at the market open. It did a really good jump. And the other one, of course, it was for IVF. It did really good reversal here around the 414. This one before the market open, guys, and we went until almost the 490, and now is doing all right. As you can see here, it did really good reversal. And now it's hit over the 415, which is our resistance and profit taking. And we discussed it here before the market open here around the 3. So it was really good entry before the market open. The link comes section below, guys, if you want to join and have access to the market before the market open, because usually once the market open will be a bit too late to enter. So